This is Dev Pirates Radio, where we challenge us all to push our limits and learn new things. Follow us as we create a game from start to finish, detailing how we accomplish each distinct development task. Contact us at contact@devpirates.com. There, I read it mostly right. I'm Matt, and with me as always is Pete.
Rock on, Wayne.
Party on, Garth.
Gosh, I can't even get that right. I quit.
And yeah, so our tasks for last time were to do an inventory system and NPC. NPC art or assets, whatever.
Right.
Graphical assets. So let's skip to whichever one. You can go first this time.
Okay. All right. So let me share my screen. And make sure you click on mine so that it stays up for a bit.
I don't care.
So
I want to listen to you all the time.
The inventory management is basically this. You walk over this block. This box is what you're going to be picking up. I made it improbable and large just for demonstration purposes. You walk onto it, you pick it up, and you has it. So if you want to drop it, you hit. Right now it's G, but that's me hitting G and nothing's happening. So just me showing, hey, you have this item. You don't have this item. You have this item. You don't have this item. Okay.
Right.
Very simple. Let me go into the code here.
At least you'll have another task for developing the inventory system screen.
Yes. HUD kind of thing. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Where's the event graph? Here it is. So where is that? Right. Okay, here. So if you walk over the item, it calls this, if it's Savron that walks over it, tasks to the cube pickup item. That's the name of that thing that I picked up. And it says, hey, you have a cube pickup. So that is that part. Where's the cube pickup? Oh, it's over here. Items, cube pickup. And I have a base item pickup that everything's extending from. Trying to maintain object-oriented principles here. Okay. Once you overlap, you pick it up, and then you destroy the actor. So yeah, essentially, the inventory system, from what I can think, Matt, now, let me know if we need to enhance this at all. Basically, most of these items are going to be you have them or you don't, right?
Well, they're going to be, so there's going to be a few different types of items. One, obviously, money, we've already got that.
Sure. I don't consider that an item.
One of them is going to be like a potion, and
Okay.
you'll be able to use that. Like you'll select that as the item you want to use, and then you'll use it.
Okay.
And that's going to be, and you'll see that in like an inventory screen.
Sure.
And then there's going to be other things like the amount of daggers you have.
Okay, so you'll have multiple daggers, multiple potions.
And then the inventory screen is also going to show all of the items that you've picked up. So like the boots of jumping.
Okay, and that would be handled but like this.
Yeah, she'll walk over it. We might want to do some fanfare.
Yeah.
And then she'll have it, and then she'll be able to jump.
Mm-hmm.
But she won't ever drop it again.
Right. Well, yeah. So this was basically for something like a bomb or
right.
or something you had to place like a statue or something.
Yeah, if you saw something like on the ground, like a like in the case of Zelda, if you picked up one of those vases. One of those vases. Then you would like we probably have like a graphic of her holding it above her head, and then you would throw it.
Right. So yes, that's
what probably be for by this whole inventory system.
So I think it's probably best that we split up the inventory system tasks, so I didn't have to handle everything at once.
Well, yeah, we don't want to tackle the whole complicated thing all at once.
Mhm.
We can probably get by without even having an inventory screen for a little bit, because we would just need to have the items logged in.
Yeah, for now, I could just make it so that an icon pops up, and that icon represents each item type. And then you could just cycle through it.
Yeah.
For now.
I don't know if you're going to put that much work into it, probably just to do a little bit more and do an inventory screen.
Well, I figured you'd want something to show what you currently have equipped anyway. The only thing that I'd be doing is the cycling.
I guess that would work. Yeah, that wouldn't be extra work. We would probably use that.
Yeah, that was my thinking. All right, so that's mine. Kind of simple, but I've been working on other side projects like that, endless flyer game with my daughter, and a chess game just for fun. So anyway,
it's all good.
Sweet. Your turn.
The most important thing is progress.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Select me. So, first thing I did was I created I guess kind of like a default mesh of the person.
Okay.
So basically, just colors out the different areas that you see, like the boots and the lower legs and the upper legs, the upper arm, mid arm, lower arm, and hands. All those different spots are different colors. And then I made a model. I drew one of the characters in all 4 different directions, and then just did his idle animations for each different direction. And it looks like I am now all alone. So using the palette, I created I used all just the colors off of the 32 palettes or 32 colors that we have set up already for the class, and then just went into each different direction and drew out all the different parts of the character. I have an example image. The concept art of the villagers. So that's basically the dude that I drew. And of course, so there's a little bit of translation there between the drawing. And let me try to invite Pete back. Let me stop sharing. Oh, no, he's back.
I'm back.
I'm back.
Thank you. Stupid computer.
All right, so I have this guy. This was the concept sketch for the male villager.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the pixel art of him.
Nice.
So the first thing I did was I just sectioned off all the different areas, and then I just drew based on the character sketch the clothes, and then I just did a little idle animation for each of the 4 different directions. So he doesn't have to just stand there doing nothing.
Nice.
And then I guess I'm going to be doing the walking for them next. And then, well, there's a lot of art assets that need to be done. I'm still working on other things. So that's it for now. We had the holiday weekend. Still there? Dude.
Sorry, slight interruption.
Oh, all right. So we had a holiday weekend, so we were a bit busy. We're doing other things.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that's it. Just a little bit of progress this time. So our next tasks, I'm going to build the level, which would include the whole rest of the level, not the dungeon, just the overworld of Niceland.
Okay.
Because I've got the art assets, I've got the tiles, so I just have to put them in and then start making the level. And then your task is to make a shop.
Yes, including all the interaction and stuff that will need to happen for that.
Yeah, so it'll probably just be, we don't have any items yet for the person to buy though.
I can just some.
Yeah. But I have a list. If you, the game design has a list of the items that are in the game.
Okay.
Let's see what I put down for items. Okay, so hearts, small and large, coins. For this prototype, this is going to be boots of jumping and fear shard. I write down for shop items. Okay. A shield and armor. Dungeon keys, map, and chests. You should probably put those into one area instead of all about the place. Whatever, you'll find them.
I'll figure it out.
There's a whole bunch of items that need to be done. And then I think that's it. Still working on Ride's last animations. The actual animations part, the scripts are written.
Nice.
So there's that. I'm hoping to be, I should be done by this year.
Awesome.
I shouldn't have done all those animations.
That was a lot, huh?
Yeah. Plus, I don't know. It's just a lot of work for something most people are probably just going to skip over.
Aw.
But I like them, so that's why I did them.
That works for me.
And well, I guess that's it.
Nice.
We'll talk to everyone later. See you next time.
Or same bat channel.